Hello guys, welcome to the info channels. I am Ranga from closecareer.com. Today in this video, I will talk it is legal privately borrow money in the UAE. Most of the foreign labor in this country does not meet the bank requirement for the personal loan. In the UAE, then they take the private loan from the friends. I think you may be aware of it. You already know this, right? Here in this video, I will discuss the practice on the grounds as well as the legal provision for the private lender and the borrower. When my salary is insufficient to cover the one-time cost of certain event in my home, including children education, the marriage of the family member, medical emergency, and so on, I borrow money from my co-worker and send it to my home, right? It is the practice in the ground. Okay, let's talk about the legal consequences if you involve in such type of activities in the United Arab Emirates. According to the UAE law, lending money without a license from the country's central bank is prohibited for any individual and the institution. In the Sharia law, lending money to the friend or other is not a haram, but taking the interest is haram. Haram means illegal, okay? According to the Sharia law, helping other, including the financial support, is not considered sinful, rather honorable behavior. Sharia is the primary law of the UAE, which means that you can give and borrow money just for the purpose of helping other, not for the personal gain, not for the interest. According to the UAE Central Bank, borrowers and the lender in the country without its approval are illegal. Therefore, both borrowing and lending activities are punishable under the country's legislation. Suppose you are the lender. If the borrower does not pay your money, you may have no option except to pursue the borrower as bullying because you cannot take the legal action. Anticipating this scenario, while lending money, what you have to do? You should prepare a legal document signed by both you and the borrower. You can request a bank check for the specific period of time, and if the borrower fails to repay it, you can bounce the check. Issuing a check without a balance carry a severe penalty in the UAE. So the borrower can honor the check issue date and maintain the balance, and you can withdraw through the check. Although the UAE Central Bank prohibits the private lending and the borrowing without license from it, local citizens have engaged in these activities. From a Sharia legal perspective, it is permissible to assist individuals financially in their need. If the borrower does not repay you, must have evidence and witnesses to pursue the legal action. Consequently, I recommend that you not to engage in such type of transaction in the UAE, but if you do, you must have the documentation or the issue check. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you are new for this channel, I request you to subscribe because you will not miss any video in future when I upload in this platform. If you want to learn more about the private lending in the United Arab Emirates, you can visit our website www.golftips.com or the link that I have provided on the video description box. Just click that link and you will be redirected to the website. Bye for now.